Hey everyone, it's Huda from Huda Beauty, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about a new product launch that is super exciting, and that is, drumroll, Tantour. So this is a product, it comes in a really nice sleek container here, really nice jar, easy to open, and on it says tan and tone, because we say if you can't tone it, tan it. So we wanted to develop something really special, something that was kind of a mix between a mousse and a cream, and something that was a mix between contouring and bronzing. So you can see we've also created a really easy to use brush that makes this whole process super seamless. One side we have a sculpting brush, which is really small and very dense. This is gonna allow you to place the Tantour exactly where you want it. And we also have a shade side to the brush that makes it really easy to buff out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you two different techniques to Tantour. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab just a little bit of product here, and I'm using this in shade medium. So on this side, I'm just gonna go really clean. I'm going from the middle of my ear all the way to where my eye begins. I'm also gonna go along the jawline here, and I'm gonna go along the jaw on the bottom as well. And on the forehead, I'm going to do these little marks. So on this side, I'm going to do a little bit of a longer contour. So I'm doing this. So you can see I'm really getting a more bronzy kind of effect. Again, here, I can go a little stronger with the product. And the forehead, I'm gonna do the same thing. And I'm going to start buffing. So I'm first gonna start with this side, and I'm gonna take the buff side, and I'm just first pressing it into my skin, and then I'm gonna buff it. Now on this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go back and forth. And I'm just gonna go underneath to make sure it's blended. And for the forehead, I like to work it into the hairline. And I just go boop, 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 boop. And so this side, I'm doing a little bit more of a J-Lo glow. So I'm gonna take my buffing brush, and I'm going to go in circular motions. I'm now gonna take our Easy Bake loose powder, and I'm gonna apply it to my entire face, focusing excess of the product underneath the eye because that area moves a lot. Our Easy Bake has quite a bit of pigment in it, so it does give it really nice and natural. And then I'm just gonna go all over with whatever's left. Literally, this is the easiest way to get perfection in your makeup. Now, I just wanna make sure my skin looks flawless, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of a secret setting spray. I'm gonna spray the bottom of my sponge, saturate it really well. Just gonna finish my last touches using our melted strobe, and I'm now gonna blend everything in, and it's gonna stay all day long. No touch-ups here. And when you apply that melted strobe all over the face, it makes your skin look so dewy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this very informative video on our new Tantour. Can't wait for everyone to try that. Please make sure you guys hashtag Huda Beauty Tantour so we can see all your beautiful looks and hopefully repost them, and we'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys so much.